Cruise ships in 2026 aren't just ships anymore. They're floating smart cities. This year, cruise lines are introducing AI-powered cabins, robot bartenders, immersive LED entertainment shows, and next-level wellness decks. Guests can control lighting, temperature, and room service straight from their phone. Multi-level infinity pools, family adventure zones, and adults-only retreats are redefining luxury at sea. Sustainability is also advancing, with cleaner fuel systems and smarter energy technology on board. Cruising isn't just about destinations anymore, it's about innovation. If you love cruise updates like this video and subscribe for more luxury cruise insights.